Parking is now even easier than ever before. With the remote control of Intelligent Park Assist, the car can park itself, even without the driver inside. After activating the Intelligent Park Assist, tap the phone icon in the infotainment, get out of the car, and activate Remote Park Assist in the MyŠkoda app. Tap Start Parking and confirm, then tap and hold the Park button in the app to keep the car moving. If you let it go, the parking process will stop for safety reasons. The car can now park itself, moving backwards and forwards as necessary. Blocked in a parking spot? Use the Remote Park Assist to get your car out. Live smarter with Remote Park Assist.